Hey guys, if you've recently bought a Lynk and Co, just rented one out, or bought one a really long time ago, or know anyone that owns Lynk and Co, you watch this video as I will show you 9 facts that most people don't know about this car. So for the first one, you're gonna have to turn on the car, and after you do, this is for the people who just bought the car or rented one out recently. This is to change the language at settings, and you press the button on top. Then you're gonna see all the languages. Just press the one that you want and wait a couple seconds, and there you go. The language is now the one desired. Then you can press this little home button to go back to where we started. For the second fact, it's actually a Bluetooth shortcut. So if you go on the left side of your driver's seat and press the mic button for a couple seconds, you're going to be able to connect your device without having to go through many steps. This one's very useful, especially when you're in a rush, as you can see here. Now the third one is a widget swipe down. It's sort of like on a phone. There's many features that you can use here. The fourth fact is the wireless charging. You can go in the settings, and if you go to connect and scroll down, you'll find this button for wireless charging. You can press on it, press continue twice, and then afterwards, as I'm going to show, you can take your device and place it down here. Then it'll start charging on its own. Fifth one is themes. You can actually customize your car look, the background of this tree. You just go in the settings and you just choose whatever one you want. I chose the vivid colors, but you can choose whatever. Now for the interior light colors, go into settings, the first thing, and you scroll down, interior lights. Then you scroll, you press this, and then you can choose your custom colors. You can choose basically any color you want. If you press, here's green, pink, purple, yellow, red. As you can see here, here's an example of where it actually changes. I'll take a video later to show you guys once it's nighttime how it looks like. And you can also change the brightness of, turn it off or turn it on certain seats. Here it is at night. Looks pretty cool, honestly. Seventh one is the Frank voice assistance. Just say, "Hey Frank," and then he does anything you want, basically. Hey Frank. Can you open the window?
Okay, opening driver door window.
Frank,
I'm here.
can you close the window?
Okay, closing driver door window.
Hey Frank, can you play the radio?
Got it. Turning on the radio.
Now, the 8th cool feature about this car is that it has a refrigerated glove box. As you can see here, look, this is a mini AC inside of the glove box. It has cold air, so you can store your drinks and anything that needs to stay cold in here while you're driving to keep it cooled. Honestly, that was a fact that I didn't know until recently. It's pretty cool feature. And now the last one is the key. You'll open the fuel storage if you double press on the trunk opening button. And that is it for these facts. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, consider hitting like and subscribe, and for any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Goodbye.